Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god, he almost is died! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! You poop your pants?
I almost got it. There's people.
That's amazing.
Hello, people. Fourth, third, second.
Look at the fucking squirt out of there, like, eh.
Oh god, yeah, squirt out of there.
You're about to masturbate? You just say you're about to masturbate? Oh, nice. I'll give you the GoPro and we'll, like, book it down that road.
Sounds like butthole.
Oh, it does smell like... it smells like shit.
Yep.
Oh, that was the biggest bug ever! Oh, that one hurt!
Baby, you got to be ready for the big ones. Wait, which one's Turtle Road?
Go find some turtles. Turtles.
A turtle.
A turtle. Let's go find turtles.
Man, dude, no turtles on Turtle Road?
What the heck?
Might have to rename it.
Non-turtle road. Non-turtle was turtle road. That's
Occasional Turtle Road.
Occasional turtle road. There was smoke coming from your tire.
Yeah. Way too much wheelie. Oh, I could have just took that trail through there.
Oh, dude, that'd be sick.
Hey, that's a road.
Yeah, it
I
is.
think. Yeah, it is. Hey, this is a dirt road. I said this is a dirt road. You're gonna do it? Oh my god, what?
I don't think this is an actual road, but let's go.
Yeah, it is. It's Fire Lane 101.
This is Horseback Lane 101.
Yeah, that's why there's a whole bunch of truck tires down it.
Yeah.
How much of it? Alright.
YOLO swag. Welly bumpy.
Oh, now there's a bunch of hot tracks.
Oh, there's bumpy. Oh, there's lots of stinging ruts. Big old ruts. Oh crap, no, don't get stuck in the rut. Ah! Where is he? Oh, there he comes.
Woo! That's so awesome, dude. This makes me want to get some dirt tires.
I know.
Oh my god, Dustin's butt or balls must be just destroyed right now.
I know.
I have no idea where this comes out.
Nope. He's so violent. My stinking tire's more bald than Harry Potter's ball sack after getting flamed with a dragon. Oh jeez, this is super bumpy. Oh, rut. Oh god, there's a big huge thing.
Somebody went down here with a dirt bike.
Really?
Yeah, you can see the tracks.
Yeah, somebody went down here too. I can see him. I'm catching him. Holy crap, you're really far down there.
Here, I'll wait for you.
You're cutting out. You're cutting your cunt.
I can't believe he's still doing this.
I know. jeez.
Whoa! I think there's a road up here.
Looks like it.
Or somebody's driveway. What the fuck?
What is this?
I don't know.
I think there's a road.
Yeah, this is a road. This might just be a turnaround down here, I'm not sure.
That was sick.
That was awesome.
What is that?
Never mind, it's another turn. Oh.
Is this technically a trail?
Oh, gravel, gravel, gravel.
Holy crap. This is sick! Oh jeez.
Dawson's gonna have to go real slow.
Yeah.
Slow with children.
No. Oh, Jesus Christ! What's with these big...
Are you sure we have it?
Oh! Is it... That's so sick! Oh, sick!
Whoa!
Bike, dude! You got some dirty old cunt and it needs a little rubbing, so you put it in the tub and you give a little tonguing. You give that dirty old cunt some love and the cunt will make you some cookies cause it's your grandma.
Why are you licking your grandma's pizza?
Because the old tasted better.
Okay.
He does not know what's happening right now. He's like, what? 2 vehicles?
He's just not on Earth right now. That's what's happening.
There's King Kong. Horse
I
ropes in the
let
face.
one of my friends ride my bike. He ran over a pile of shit, flung it up onto my exhaust, and it started burning on my exhaust. That was fucking horrible.
Dang it. Oh, dang, dude. Oh, God, what the heck is up with these bugs?
They're all hitting you.
Gravelly, 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 gravelly. Mashed potato, what the heck? Is that a cat?
That's a skunk.
Oh, I smell it. Boom, look at that guy.
Walking with a cane.
Walking with a cane. 2 canes. Bet you I can swing harder than you.
I'm gonna stick this monkey bar up your ass.
Llamas!
Llama, llama, llama.
Hey, llama! Look at that! Turkey, baby, turkeys!
Ah, how do I ride bike? How do I ride bike?
Oh, here comes more.
Should I give him an air thrust?
Trust me.